All right, now that we've done the yellow and red part, we're going to go ahead and make the remaining 3 drawings for the blue part, green part, and orange part. If I open up each of these designs, then for each one, I will select Design, Drawing from Design, then change this to 11 by 8.5, click OK. Go to my green part. In this case, switch this to 1 by 1. Change from my front view to the home view. And change it to shaded. We don't really need to worry about the tangent edges, but we'll go ahead and select that. Only applies for curves. But there's the orange block. Click OK. Then we're going to do a base view. Change that to 1 to 1. Left click. Then click OK. Now go ahead and do our projected drawings. Select, do a top view and a right view, and then hit enter. Now I will hit D for dimension. Then we'll go ahead and put the small dimension here. We'll do the overall width on the bottom of the front view, the height here, the overall height there, the depth here, and the depth there. Now my orange block is fully dimensioned. I'll click Save. Orange part save. Then I'll switch over to the green part. I'm going to go ahead and design. From design, select 11 by 8.5. Click OK. Go to my home view. Change to a 1 by 1 sizing. Go to shaded. Place that. Click OK. Now we'll do a base view. Change again the size to 1 to 1. Place here. Click OK. Now do projected view, top and right. Then hit enter. Then I will go ahead and do my dimensions one more time. Overall height will go here. The height for this feature will go on the left. Height for this feature will go in between. Then the overall width, go ahead and place that on the bottom of the main view, and this on the top. Place the 75 here, and then 150 there. Hit escape. I'm going to go ahead and move this one up just a little bit so that the 150 is not blocked, and now it's all in the right position. I'll go ahead and hit save. Click save, and then go to the blue part. Design, drawing from design. Change our size. And here we go ahead and set it to home view again. Shaded 1:1. Left click, click OK. Do another base view. Change our size to 1:1. This time leaving it as front and line view with hidden. Click OK. Projected views, top and right, hit enter. Now hit D for dimension. Dimension the 150, dimension the 75. Escape. Let's move this down a little bit so there's a little more space. Hit escape. Now we'll go back to dimensioning. Let's go ahead and do the overall dimension at the bottom. Then we'll do the height here, the overall height there, the depth here, and then we'll do an overall depth extended there. So go ahead and move this one up a little, and then this back up a touch, and this one to the right just a little bit. Now we have all our dimensions for the blue. And we'll go ahead and save it. Now we have drawings for all of the parts that we need. Couple notes. The title block will automatically populate. It shows our scale 1:1 down here. It gives us a date and a name on the drawing. Then we have the title of the part that it is a drawing of and the project within which it is contained. That's everything. Have a great day.